Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to download the setup file of Saral Accounts and Saral Billing software from the website to your local system. To download the setup, visit saralgst.com. In this website, navigate to the menu Pricing. In the pricing page, scroll down and click on Free Trial. Here, click on option Download Software. You will be asked to provide certain basic information of yours. Please make sure you provide a valid email ID and the other details in this contact form and select the relevant solution that is required to be downloaded. On providing all these information, click on the button Download. Now, the software download link will be mailed to the mail ID provided in this contact form. Now visit the inbox of the mail ID provided by you. Here in the mail, click on the option Download Link shown. On click of Download Link, the setup file will be downloaded to the desired location. In this way, the software setup of your Saral Accounts or Saral Billing software can be downloaded to your system, and further setup can be done of the system for your further use. Thank you for watching. For more such updates, please subscribe to our channel in YouTube.